Thank you. Roxanne, what do you think are the biggest challenges facing the county?
I think one of the biggest challenges facing the county is, there's a number of them, but I do think that climate change is a huge issue. And I actually have a lot of experience coming out of public health to work on issues such as climate change. I've worked as a member of the Bay Area Air Quality Management District AB 617 steering committee to really focus on an air monitoring plan that would focus on the most toxic emissions impacting our communities. And I'm really interested in reviewing the pros and cons of proposals such as Marathon's petroleum refinery plans to produce renewable liquid biofuels. And there's, the pros of the company saying it's going to be a green friendly alternative. And some people are wondering if it's actually going to lower carbon emissions. I also served, as I mentioned, as a public health program manager, and I created a framework for environmental justice within the public health division, and supported a team of residents in communities to really look at how their community could be developed in such a way that it lessened their burden as they sit on the fence line. And then lastly, I mean, I think I'm interested in how to continue to support the industrial safety ordinance. As Ken mentioned, he's on the hazmat commission. It's one of the strongest in our county. But we did have a fire just last year, New Star fire. And I think there's a lot of work to be done to really look at how to strengthen that, and how to figure out how to work with industry to reduce things like flaring or accidents in our facilities. And we are, an industry strong county, but I think all of those things are important as we, really look at the impact of climate change. So those are just some of the things, but I look forward to a lot of other issues like housing and access to healthcare, community safety, and how to look at criminal justice reform. I've participated in a lot of the recent activities over the last 4 or 5 years around criminal justice reform. So those are some of the other issues that I'd want to address.